Today we're showing you the Fracino Retro machine live in one of our coffee shops. I want you to see how this machine works and how it can work for you. This is the dual head Fracino machine, the standard version that comes with the turn knobs for your steam wands and your water valve, as well as your handles and the top handle as well. It is the UL version, so it has the taller legs so that you can clean under it, and you can see how we've got it set for the towels that I'll explain how to use here in just a second. Okay, we are going to now make a shot off of this Fracino Retro unit. Again, one of the reasons we like this is it's very consistent. So we are going to pull the portafilter out. We use a dry towel, dry that out, make sure there's no residue in there or any water, making sure that that's good and clean for your customers. Here we have the Fracino grinder as well, and so we're going to push the 2-shot here on the Luxomatic. It's going to grind that to the level we have, about 17.5 grams. We're going to tap once, and with our puck press, it is going to go ahead and tamp that for us so that it's ready to go. We will insert that into the machine, making sure it's tight, and then you will pull down and hold this for about 4 seconds as you get your shot glass ready. As you guide it up, you can watch my hand here at the top, and it catches and it goes on its own from that point forward. To pull that shot that will work fantastic for your latte. While it's pulling, we're going to go ahead and get our milk ready. So we'll pull that out, and we're going to do 9 ounces of milk in here. That will be perfect for a 12-ounce shot and latte. So as we do that, one of the reasons we like this machine are the long steam wands. So we'll purge it. We want to make sure that it's clean. Grab our milk towel that only is used for this. Make sure it's clean. Purge it again, and then we'll insert it in right at that tip. So we're going to put the tip right underneath the milk as we turn the steam wand on. And as that goes, you start to get that, to get into the vortex, and then it almost becomes instantly silent as it warms up for your latte milk. There we go. I'll turn that off. And once that's off, then we do also wipe the steam wand again while the milk sits there. And we're going to purge the steam wand. Again, that keeps everything clean. We can swirl that milk just a little bit. And then we'll grab a glass and put that right into our cup. Okay, so now we've got our shot. We're dropping right in there into our cup. We've got our latte milk ready to go. And we're going to pour that right in there and get that ready just for that customer who's ready to drink that this morning. And that is how you use the Fracino Retro machine that you can buy at Shiloh Coffee Supply. Well, thank you for watching these videos from Shiloh Coffee Supply. We have great videos that you can subscribe below on how to use the Fracino machines, as well as how to repair or do any of the maintenance on the Fracino espresso machines and their grinders. Appreciate it very much, and have a great day.